You filming it?
Yep.
Okay, Jared, come on.
Just not crazy. No straight punches.
You're going like crazy.
Watch out for the glass. You're wet. Get away from the glass.
Get over the glass, Reese.
Don't get mad. You're gonna pop and close your mouth, brace boy. Glass. Reese, block his punches. Stop doing the hammer. That's not a punch. You don't. Glass.
Okay, time out. Time out.
Ooh, Jared gets tired easy.
I'm laughing. Come on! You're too scared!
Glass. Glass.
Can you punch me in my body instead of my head?
Oh, Reese, you got hammered.